Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for 1000 subscribers. It means a lot to me. I thank my parents for gifting me a camera without which I wouldn't be able to record videos. My sister who records my YouTube haircuts and behind the scenes stuff. And yeah, she's the one who clicks my Instagram pictures and that's the reason they look super cool. If you haven't followed my Instagram yet, it's at Maximus_Rana. Follow me right now. I thank all the people who constantly like my videos, subscribe, comment, share it with other people and tell them to subscribe too. Your support keeps me going. Seeing such support, I feel happy from inside and it motivates me to make more and more videos. And I also thank the haters who dislike my videos and comment hateful stuff in the comment section. Thank you so much, because that helps me increase my video engagement too, so thank you. It's so difficult to upload videos on YouTube when you're a student, especially a student living in India, because the Indian education system puts a huge burden on a student's head. Burden's very huge, especially if you're taking science stream or if you're preparing for JEE or any other entrance exam. Burden is huge. But still, I take out time to make YouTube videos because this is what I love doing the most. So whenever I get a holiday like Friday, that's when I upload a video, and Sunday, because I love Sundays, so I upload a video on Sunday, so it's 2 times a week. And I do the same for Instagram too. I upload 2 times a week on Instagram, Friday and Sunday. So be sure to turn post notifications on so that you do not miss out on any upload of mine. When I started YouTube, I didn't even think that I would hit 100 subscribers. But when I hit 100 subscribers right in my first video, I set a goal that, man, I gotta hit 1000 subscribers by the year's end, at least by December's end. I need to hit 1000, and I hit 1000 at the start of November, which felt quite of an accomplishment to me. And now I've set a goal of hitting 10,000 by the end of next year, and I'm really gonna work hard to achieve that goal. It's not gonna be easy, but I'm gonna give it my best. I'm gonna give it everything. So I've hit 1000 subscribers, and on that occasion, I'm holding a giveaway. After you finish watching this video, go on my Instagram and you'll see that I've posted a post. Posted a post? Well, that sounds correct. I'll upload a post on Instagram giving all details of the giveaway I'm holding, and stay tuned for it because it's coming today. And just check my Instagram post. I'll give you all the details there. So follow me on Instagram. It's at Maximus_Rana. I'll see you there. Okay? Thanks so much for 1000 subscribers. I love you all. See you on Friday, Monday. I don't know like when, but see you in the next video.